The stunning residence is nestled on a charming 34-cent land surrounded by lush greenery, offering only fleeting glimpses of its enchanting presence. Its inviting design effortlessly combines tropical modernity with the natural surroundings, intriguing observers and safeguarding the privacy of those inside. Welcoming visitors with serene jhallis and soothing water features at the entrance, the residence immediately instills a sense of tranquility. With internal courtyards facilitating unobstructed airflow and providing ample shade, this humble abode faces the east, ensuring optimal comfort for its occupants. Emphasizing ease of access, the residence maintains a permeability on all sides, hence the name void. The site is meticulously planned for concerts while also ensuring the preservation of the surrounding trees. As you enter the house, you will be captivated by the expansive and luxurious interior spaces. The welcoming guest living area is bathed in natural light, with courtyards on both the southern and northern sides of the house. These courtyards provide ideal spots for relaxation during the morning and evening hours, allowing for cross-ventilation throughout the lower part of the house. The public areas, including the living area, double-height dining and kitchen area, as well as the wash and circulation cores, are strategically placed alongside the private areas, which consist of 2 bedrooms. The puja, strategically positioned at the heart of the house, serves as a visually captivating focal point upon entering. Situated within a spacious internal courtyard bathed in natural light, it becomes the central gathering space on the ground floor, radiating a sense of serenity. The divine illumination, complemented by adjoining courtyards at either end of the residence, enhances the overall peaceful ambience.